Hi guys, Danica here, and I just want to update you on my next tutorials that I'm gonna work on. I'm thinking about working on WP Fusion first in my next videos because I think I haven't able to share how exactly we use it, like from the top, how we set it up for WordPress membership site projects. So we're gonna pair that with ActiveCampaign because I think that's one of the easiest UX UI in terms of CRMs right now. So we're gonna use that, and then I'm just gonna show you exactly how to set it up, like some tips to make sure it works properly. Especially, like example, you pair it, let's just say, with WooCommerce, or you could even pair it with MemberPress as well. Those other third-party plugins that it is compatible with. But I'm going to try my best to keep my tutorials as beginners friendly as possible. And this time, I'm going to use Loom to record my videos because it's just much easier. If I use Loom, before it was very hard to screen capture and then have a webcam to showcase my tutorial. So I think with Loom, that's going to be my solution for quickly recording these tutorial videos. And also, I really want to share videos in smaller pieces because I think it's much easier to answer that specific question and much easier to tackle that specific area of the plugins. So I hope with Loom, it can help me with that one, and then less editing because they now have the AI functionality, even the transcript to automate it for me. So I hope with that tool, it can allow me to record more video tutorials for how to use WordPress for your membership site. I'm going to switch to Loom so that you can see what is WP Fusion for those who are not yet familiar. And yeah, let's switch to Loom. Now that I'm going to use Loom to record this kind of tutorials, I hope it's going to be much easier to answer your question, especially if you comment down below because it's really hard to record these videos. So I hope Loom will help me make it easier to answer those questions and share with you how to use this WordPress plugins that we commonly use when building a WordPress membership sites. So in the next videos or series, I'm gonna work on WP Fusion. So I'm gonna teach you from the top how exactly to use it for your WordPress membership sites. I'm gonna try my best to make my tutorial as easy as possible to follow. I know the past videos are not that like from the top, but with long videos, I hope I can record it into smaller pieces so that I can teach it in more beginners to advanced users. So yes, WP Fusion, let's check out how exactly you can use that for your WordPress membership site. And we're gonna pair it with ActiveCampaign CRM. So if you're using ActiveCampaign already, then this tutorial is for you. But if you're using other CRM, the process should be similar, though there is some changes in terms of how the webhooks and stuff works. We're gonna see if we need to create separate video tutorials based on the specific CRM that you are using. But for now, let's just use ActiveCampaign because, in my opinion, it has one of the easiest UX UI in the market for CRMs right now. So I'll see you in the next video. If you have any requests regarding how to use WP Fusion, if you're already using it for your projects, maybe you have any issues that you've encountered, comment it down below and I'll see if I can include that in my videos here for this series. And yeah, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the first video for WP Fusion. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.